Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to turn off or restart your iPhone 14 and 14 Pro and how we can do this. So let's get started. First of all, I'll be demonstrating you how we can turn off your iPhone. There are three different ways. So let me show you that first. So the first one is all about you have to press the volume up and hold with the power button over here together. You have to press and hold, so the phone will be automatically turned off. I'll be demonstrating you that. So let me do this over here like this. I'll press and hold both the buttons. Let me press and hold. Now we can see you can slide the power off so that the phone will be completely turned off. This is the first method. Right now we have to move to the second step. That is all about what you need to do is we have to go over here, tap on the settings. Now from here we have to scroll it down and navigate to the general. Now from here we have to scroll it down all the way down. There is an option called shutdown. Tap on it. So right now as you can see, you can slide the power off like this, so it will be completely turned off. This is the second step. Now we can move to the third step. That is all about you can just go over here, go back, or you can just do from wherever it is. What you need to do is you have to give a command to the Siri. Just ask the Siri to turn off your phone. So I'm going to show you that. Hey Siri, please turn off my iPhone. Now what you need to do is you have to go to power off here, so it will be completely turned off. But even though I'm not going to do that, instead I'm going to demonstrate you one more thing. That is all about. I wanted to make you a few more things clear. That is all about. Suppose imagine that your phone is completely turned off and it's completely black. It's nothing is there. So if you wanted to restart, what you need to do is you have to go over here on this side. We have the side button. What you need to do is you have to just press and hold this button. Now once you do this on the side button, it will be completely restarted. That is how we can restart your iPhone. One way, if the device is completely turned off. But if it's not turned off, then what you need to do is you have to ask the Siri to turn off your phone or to do the restart. So what I'm trying to do is, just like I've previously shown you guys, I'm just going to ask the Siri to restart my iPhone. So what I'm trying to do, let me give the command, do the same, exactly the same. Hey Siri, please restart my iPhone. Now it is going to ask me for restart, so I'll go over here for the restart. And right now, as you can see, the device is completely going to restart. Now as you can see, the Apple logo appears, which means your iPhone is getting restart over here. So doing a restart is sometimes really helpful if you're having any kind of an issue like frozen kind of things, or it's unresponsive, or they're going through any kind of issue. You can do a restart a couple of times and that's going to fix the issue up. So these are the steps and how we can do this. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. That's it. Bye.